Yo. Yeah. What's up, everybody? You know we had to end this off on a song again, right? Super Bowl Sunday, so made a little song about what everybody's talking about. The election. Yo, it's election time. You're feeling fine. Wanna go vote, but can't make up your mind. So we're here to remind you just what you're dealing with. Let's talk politics. Mitt Romney hack, insomniac, up all night, laying bitches on their back. It's a fact. All the ladies he be scoring, but it's alright, it's okay. Hey, he's a Mormon. He got 3 wives, 2 hoes. He got 1 girlfriend on the side. Oh, everybody, 3 wives. He got 2 hoes. He got 1 girlfriend on the side. Oh, Giuliani's lame. He should stop pretending his policies are all the same. Talking 9/11. He loves the Yankees, loves Derek Jeter, but doesn't love his wife, cause whoops, he's a cheater. But one more thing that I forgot to mention. 9/11, 9/11, 9/11, 9/11. John Edwards from the dirty South, making his turn with his pretty mouth. He's so handsome, not handsome as me. He loves his wife but still fucks John Kerry. Cause Iron Mike, not talking about the boxer, used to be fat, now he's thin, what a shocker. It's Huckabee's son, last one before the chorus, protecting the border with 2 words, Chuck Norris.
Always find your parties at the election, at the election. Get on the dance floor with elephants and donkeys at the election, at the election.
Hakuna Matata, Barack Obama, bringing all the drama to Bill's baby mama. He gotcha, and he got my vote. The new JFK with ears like Perot. If you didn't know, well now I'm gonna tell ya. Senator Barack is one smooth fella, a black president. Yo, he's gonna win. If it can't be Will Smith, might as well be him.
Crazy, insane John McCain, ticking time bomb up in his brain. He's slain every other candidate. A GOP, his favorite letters in the alphabet. Cool as an ice cube, hot like a candle gets. A POW, yeah, he handled it. Trust me when I tell you, he will bring the pain. If you try and test him, his cock is like a train.
I love Kucinich like Popeye loves spinach. He's in it to win it. Wait, no, he's finished. I'm sorry. I'm just Dennis for life, but the debates he was a menace and he's got a hot wife. It's a fact. He would have got my vote and brought universal health care in case I get a strep throat. I'm really sorry to see him go. Will he be back again? I sure fucking hope so.
You want the facts? Well, I got 'em. Who's on the attack? Hillary Rodham, supporters of Barack. I heard she shot him, then drove him to the Hudson and sank him to the bottom. She's a tough bitch. Gotta love the pantsuits. Pull the troops out of my rock, then take Bill home to knock boots. Oh, woman president's a cause I can push. Come election night, I can say I chose the right Bush.
Get on the dance floor with elephants and donkeys at the election, at the election. Where can you go and always find your parties at the election, at the election. Get on the dance floor with elephants and donkeys at the election, at the election.
2 parties, that ain't enough for this kid. You think it's either or? Don't get it twisted. I said it's on y'all. Give it up for Ron Paul. He's rocking grassroots like Cheech and Chong, y'all. You want a joker from Stephen Colbert, but I like Mike cause he's a millionaire. Yes, I'm a raider for Nader and I'm loving LaRouche. So get your finger at the fader while I'm spitting the truth about this 2-party bullshit. Yeah, I'm addressing it. My verse is deeper than your last will and testament. When I'm finessing it, ain't nobody testing it. I'll just take the cake and y'all can keep the rest of it. Republicans and Democrats, you made a mess of it. You're both whack and that's the more or less of it. I'm stressing it, but on the ballot make the best of it. And when I rock the vote, I